In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Google's tools alongside Canva to optimize your design workflow efficiently and creatively. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this guide will show you how to seamlessly integrate color codes into your projects using Canva. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to go to your Canva project. It's vital for any design task to have your chosen project open and ready, as it's the canvas upon which you will bring your creative ideas to life. So, log into your Canva account and open the project you're working on. Canva's intuitive interface is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating to your project should be straightforward. Now, let's talk about finding color codes. This is where the magic begins. Colors are essential in design. They bring projects to life and communicate emotions. To effectively find and use color codes, you'll want to visit Canva's dedicated color resources. Head over to canva.com/colors, a valuable tool for any designer looking to explore and implement colors. Here you have a variety of options including the color palette generator, color palette ideas, color wheel, and color meanings. Each of these tools offers unique insights and inspiration for your project. For this example, let's focus on exploring color palette ideas. Clicking on color palette ideas will present you with groups of colors, a harmonious collection that you might find appealing for your project. Once you click on a specific group of colors, you'll be able to see its unique color codes. Remember, a color code is a series of letters and numbers that corresponds to a specific color that can be replicated across digital platforms. This is a powerful tool in maintaining consistency, especially if you're working on branding or creating a cohesive look across different elements of your design. With these color codes in hand, you can now input them into your Canva design. To do this, simply navigate to the color editing menu in Canva, which should look like a color wheel swatch, usually found in the top header or side panel where your design tools are housed. From here, you can manually enter the color codes you've found, ensuring your project reflects exactly what you envisioned. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google's resources with Canva's robust design tools to enhance your creative project. By combining these platforms, you not only streamline your process, but also broaden your palette of design possibilities. Implementing these techniques will undoubtedly elevate your designs, making them more vibrant and professionally aligned with your creative vision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to use Canva and Google to their fullest potential. Feel free to explore more of what canva.com/colors has to offer. Until next time, happy designing!